The AI Bullet Point Writer helps you frame your experience around accomplishments and results, not just duties. Here's how it works. You'll find the AI Bullet Point Writer inside sections like Experience, Projects, and Involvement. For now, let's focus on the Experience section. Start by entering the basics of your role, job title, and company name. Click Suggest Bullet to create a standard bullet point based on your role and responsibilities. Or use Generate Bullet with key numbers to get a version with measurable results built in. If the suggestion works, click Apply. If not, generate another version until you find one that fits. For bullet points you've already written, highlight the text and select Rewrite Bullet. Rezi gives you stronger alternatives with better wording and more relevant keywords. Once you're done, head to Finish Up and Preview for a final review. Check that your bullet points are accurate, relevant to the role, and show the impact you made, not just the tasks you completed. That's the AI Bullet Point Writer, a faster way to turn your experience into noteworthy achievements.